You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 12.